To remove people from photos on POCO X8 Pro or Pro Max, first we're gonna open Gallery. Over here we're gonna open the photo that we wish to edit, and we're gonna tap on this square with a pen at the bottom of the screen. Now over here we need to switch to the Create category in here, and then you should be able to find the Erase option, which we need to install if you didn't do that yet. Now once you have access to the eraser, we can switch to Remove People over here, and then we need to wait a couple of seconds. There we go. You will see probably all people are going to be highlighted. So what you can do is you can simply tap on anyone that should be excluded. So let's say I want to keep this person over here, but the rest of them I can erase them. So I can now tap on Start. There we go. And now we need to wait for the result. All right, there we go. All people have been removed. And as you can see, there are a couple of things left afterwards. So what you can do is you can switch to Remove Objects if that is the case, and then you can select whatever is actually left. So let's say I'm gonna select this thing over here, and then I'm gonna press Start, and hopefully it is going to be erased pretty well. There we go. We can of course keep going all the time until we are actually satisfied with the result. And once you are done with the erasing tool, of course, we're gonna need to save it. So you want to tap on this check in the bottom right corner, then we're gonna save in the upper right corner, and that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe